If you are wondering if we have Touch ID on a Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is both yes and no. So we do not have exactly the same Touch ID that you had on some iPhone models, but what we do have is a fingerprint sensor that is located on the power button over here. In order to use it, you don't have to press the power button, you just have to touch it with the finger that you scan in settings. So in order to set it up, you just have to go to settings on your phone, scroll down over here to the lock screen, and then once you open lock screen, go to screen lock and biometrics. And then over here, you should be able to enter your screen lock password and find the fingerprints option. And then you can set it up over here. Once you set it up, then like I said, you can just use your finger that you used to scan the phone, to scan the sensor, and there we go, we can just unlock our phone with our finger. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.